Monday Tech Talk. Construction piling. What is piling? Piling is used in the construction of buildings, bridges, and other structures where the soil might not be able to support the weight necessary for the structure. Piling is therefore used for these deep foundations to ensure the framework of the buildings or structures is supported both above ground and underground. Very helpful in setting deep foundations in the construction work. A pile is a long structure in the shape of a cylinder from steady material like concrete that goes beneath the ground in order to build the structures on top of it. Piling process: casting installation, drilling, install reinforcement cages, pouring of concrete, extract the casting. Type of piling: pile testing, compression static versus tension static. Risk for consideration: stability of adjacent structures, heights, excavation-related hazards, groundwater, moving machinery and parts, lifting operation, plant instability, ground conditions, bearing capacity. Rescue procedures: fall protection in case of a person falling into a pile. Speak to the worker who fell into the pile and determine if the employee is conscious. If he is conscious and able to move his arms, the winch with shackles will be lowered for the employee to connect or hold onto. The worker will be then lifted to the surface and emergency personnel will assist and transport the employee to the nearest hospital. If the worker is not conscious and the pile is not collapsing, then the following procedures will be followed. Hooking the rescue member into the piling rig winch with a sling and deshackle and slowly lowering the rescue member into the hole. Determine and ensure there is no collapse of the pile before descending the person. The rescue member should be lowered into the piling hole slowly and guided by the rescuer to the bottom of the hole using his hands and feet to stay away from the excavation face. Lifting the injured employee should be done slowly and carefully. The rescue member should guide them to the top by using his hands and feet, keeping them away from the excavation face. D-shackles to connect to the back of the safety harness D-ring for the rescue member as well as the injured person. Once the victim has been brought to a safe location, administer first aid and treat the employee for injuries. Arrange for transport to the nearest hospital by ambulance.